Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of our weekly outlook. All right, so in this outlook, I'm going to be looking at DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and Euro GBP. Right, so it's been quite a long time since we actually gave an update on our weekly outlook on the YouTube channel, but then yeah, if you're in the Telegram channel, you know that we always give updates. Okay, so yeah, now we are back on the YouTube, and yeah, we'll start keeping things running from here, giving some few contents, and yeah, our weekly outlook is back. All right, so let's start. So DXY, what do we have on DXY? So from the lookup things, for if you've been following us for now, we know we are very bearish on DXY. We have DXY giving us somewhat move to the upside, downside. Okay, so I'm just going to take from here. So we have DXY moving to the downside. So what was our previous swing high and swing low? We had our swing high right here. Okay, so we had a swing high right here. We also had a swing low right here. All right, so what am I expecting for DXY? So last week wasn't a very good week since we had DXY giving us only forms of what? Consolidation right here. So we had the market giving us some form of consolidation right here. DXY, which is also very bearish. Okay, from the side, when you look at the side, we can see we had some little break of structure right here. Okay, so we had some break of structure right here. So yeah, that means I'm going to be bearish for DXY since yeah, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure right here. So yeah, which gives me a reason to be what? To be bearish for DXY. Okay, so what am I going to be expecting for DXY? So since I'm going to be bearish for DXY, I'm expecting markets to what? The whole of this week has been a form of what? Consolidation in the markets. Okay, so I'm going to be expecting markets to what? We had markets forming liquidity. We have markets forming liquidity. So I'm going to expect the market to take out this liquidity. Then we what? We continue with our bearishness. Okay, so if you ask me what I'm going to be expecting, I'm going to wait patiently for the market to what? To take out this liquidity right here. Then I look for some reasons to what? To short from the side. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'll be expecting since I'm going to be what? Very bearish on DXY. Okay, so but then since I'm expecting bearishness, okay, I also have my eyes on this zone right here, this demand zone right here. Okay, so if the market opens and then I start getting some move to the downside, okay, then I'm expecting market to trade into the zone. Give me a confirmation. Okay, so I'm not just going to rush into it looking for a confirmation here, any form of confirmation here before I go long on what? On this particular at this particular region here. Okay, so yeah, even though I'm very bearish, I'm expecting markets to what? To take out this form of liquidity right here by just moving up here, then give me somewhat continuous for my sell. I'm also going to have my eyes on this particular demand zone right here. So this is what I'll be expecting for DXY this coming week. All right, so let's go to our next pair, which is Euro USD. Okay, so on the daily time frame, what do I have for Euro USD? For Euro USD, we can see Euro USD has been very bullish. We had a major break of structure right here. Good. So we had a very nice major break of structure where it's going to be our swing high, and our swing low is going to be our swing low right here. So we have our swing low. We also have our swing high. All right. Good. So right here, we also had a break of structure right here. So these are all reasons to let you know that Euro USD is what? It's very bullish. Okay, we had a break of we had a break of structure right there. We had a break of structure. Come on. So let's just continue. So there's all reasons to let you know that Euro USD is what is very bullish, and then the market, okay, can just continue going bullish. Okay, after breaking the structure, we get some move any of this one. All right, so since I'm very bullish, what am I going to be expecting for this coming week? Okay, so we had the markets breaking structure coming up to fill all this imbalance right here. So we had a very nice imbalance right here. So the market came to fill. So what will I be expecting? So since I'm very bullish, the market has already filled this imbalance. I'm going to expect the market to trade, give me some move to the downside, and probably move up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be expecting. But let's go to the 4H time frame and see what I'll be expecting. Good. So on 4H time frame, you can see we had some form of consolidation right here. Okay, the market's consolidated, creating some form of what, liquidity to the downside. Okay, we had liquidity to the downside here. Then we also had some form of liquidity to the upside. Okay, so since I'm very bullish on this pair, I'm going to be expecting the market to trade either into this zone right here, which is not a very strong zone for me, but then this is going to be my very strong zone here. So I have these two zones right here. Sorry, I have these two zones right here. Okay, so I'm expecting markets to either trade into one of these zones right here, look for reasons to what to buy, then I go for what, I go for my buys on this particular pair. So this is what I'm going to be expecting for Euro USD. But then, even though I'm expecting this on Euro USD, what again am I expecting? Okay, so even though I have this bias on Euro USD, I have this zone right here, this very nice zone right here. Okay, so I have this very nice zone right here, and I'm expecting markets to also market can either trade into this zone. Okay, give me a reason to what, to sell at this place. Why not? I'll take a sell at this place. So yeah, even though I'm very bullish on this pair, I also have a reason to what, to take a short from this place if the market gives me a reason, right? So you can see down the 4H we have some kind of what, shift here, 4H shifts right here. Okay, that gives me a reason to look for what, a short at this place in case the market sweeps out this liquidity and trade into this zone right here. All right, so that's what I'll be expecting for Euro USD. Once again, we always give updates on this pairs in the Telegram channel and other pairs, like lots of pairs of on our free Telegram channel. So I'll leave the link in the description below so that you join, then we see what we'll be expecting for this coming week with a lot of setups coming up in the group. All right, now let's go to our next pair, which is GBP-USD. GBP-USD, what am I expecting? What am I seeing? Now we can see right here that GBP-USD has been very, very, very bullish. We had a major break of structure right here. Okay, so we had a major break of structure right there. Now let's just come to what we have here. So I have my swing high right here. Okay, so I have my swing high right here. So since I'm very, very bullish, I'm expecting market to what, to break this swing high, give me some push to the downside, and we continue, right? Okay, so I have my swing high right there, I have my swing low right here. So what am I expecting? So yeah, bullishness. So we had the market breaking this structure right here. Good. And this last week wasn't a very good week. We had some kind of consolidation in the market. Okay, yeah. So let's go to 4H. Let's see what I'll be expecting. I'll be expecting bullishness for this particular pair as well. Okay, so I have my very nice zone right here that I think I'm expecting markets to trade into it. Then what, I look for somewhat longs in the market. So I'm going to be expecting markets to trade, give me some reasons for what, some confirmation for a buy right here, then voila, I'll look for what, I'll take my buys on this pair. All right, so yeah, that's what I'll be expecting for this pair for this coming week. Or even though we have some other zones down there, but then yeah, there's a current zone I have here, so I'm going to consider concentrate on this. Now even though I'm very bullish, okay, I also have this on the markets. Okay, so even on 4H we can see that the market what gave us some what change. Okay, shift here, a shift on 4H. So we had a 4H shift right here. So I'm going to have this particular supply zone right here in mind. Okay, that when the market, in case we have the markets also creating some form of liquidity right up here. Okay, so we have liquidity right there. So in case we have the market continue to trade into the zone, then I'm going to look for what, some chalk right here to take a sell on this particular pair. Okay, so this is what I'm also going to be having for GBP USD. Okay, so for my watch list, this is going to be what I'll be expecting for GBP USD. Now let's go to gold. What do I have in gold? Now with gold, I think we gave some free setups on gold for some sales, which gave us about 200-300 pips or so in the free Telegram channel. But then let's see what we'll be expecting for this coming week. So we can, as you can also see, gold has been very bullish. Okay, from the daily time frame, you can see we have some very nice bullishness on gold. All right, we had a break of structure here, break of structure here, right? I believe you guys can see break of structure here, a break of structure, a break of structure. Good. Now, what will we be expecting? Since we are bullish, I'm expecting market to what, break the structure, give me some sell, then yeah, we continue. All right. So what am I going to be expecting? So let me just mark out my break of structure right here. So we had a break of structure in the market, and then the whole of last week was actually a week where we had a lot of ranging in the market. But you know, gold with this ranging on the lower time frame, we can have some very nice moves. Okay, so that's where we got our moves in the market. Okay, so we had gold giving us some form of consolidation. So let's just go to the 4H time frame, see what we'll be expecting for this coming week. So since we are very bullish on this pair, okay, what am I going to be expecting? I'm expecting markets to trade into the zone right here. Okay, so I have this zone right here. Okay, so I'm expecting markets to what? To trade into the zone right here. Okay, give me a reason to buy, then I go for my buy. Okay, good. Now if there's going to be any updates, we are going to give it out in the free Telegram channel. So you guys should what? I'm going to leave the link below so that you can what? You can join for any updates on this space, right? So this is what I'm going to be expecting. Now, even though this is what I'm going to be expecting, I have my eyes on this particular move as well. All right, so I have this zone right here, this very nice supply zone right here, that I think I'll be expecting market to trade into it. So I'm going to be expecting market to either take out this liquidity, the market creating some form of liquidity right here, then give me what? Some sell from this side. Okay, now not only this side, I'm having this very nice zone right here. Okay, this zone right here that I think I'm expecting markets to either trade into the zone, then give me a sell. So I have this zone right here and this zone as well. All right, so I think this is what I'll be expecting for gold this coming week. Yeah, our last pair, which is going to be EURGBP. What am I expecting for EURGBP on the daily time frame? Yeah, it doesn't really look very good and convincing, but then wow, if you've been following, we gave some particular buy from this side, okay, in the free Telegram channel. Let's go to the 4H time frame and then let's see what we are talking about. So we gave some buys from this side in the free Telegram channel, right? Been following, I think there's a buy, and yeah, we've been riding up here. Now what do we have? Amazing price action. All right, so we can see that the market created some form of liquidity right here. So we have the market creating what? Liquidity right up here. The market came up here, gave us some move to the downside. I'm still going to be very bullish for this week for this pair. Okay, so what happened? The market traded into this very nice supply zone. The market gave us a reaction from the supply zone, and yeah, what am I going to be expecting? I'm expecting markets to give me some reaction at the zones. Okay, so I'm having these two zones right here. Good. So I'm expecting the market to either trade into this zone, give me a buy to take out this liquidity we have right here, or the market to trade into the zone and give me a buy. Okay, all right, so the reason why I'm expecting this zone right here is because we have some form of liquidity right here. Very nice one, very nice liquidity right there. Okay, some imbalance which has not been totally filled. It doesn't really have to totally fill it, but then it looks like this zone is a very nice zone for me to look at. Okay, based on the way I trade, we had some form of break here. So yeah, this is what I'll be expecting for EURGBP as well. All right, So yeah, this is what I'll be expecting for this pairs for this coming week: DXY, Euro GBP, Euro USD, GBP USD, and then gold. All right, so we are going to give the rest of the updates, I mean the setups in the group. We are going to follow up with the updates for this pairs for the coming week. All right, so thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'll be very happy to do that. We have lots of content coming your way, lots of weekly outlooks coming your way for free. All right, so if you haven't subscribed, please do that. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great week.